Hello kids, it's Shazi. Today, we learn the alphabet letter A to Z. I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. Let's trace and paint them together. I, J, K, L, M,
build it up with wood and clay, wood and clay, wood and clay. Build it up with wood
N,
and clay, my fair lady.
O, P,
Wood and clay will wash away, wash
Q,
away, wash away. Wood and clay will wash away, my fair lady. Build
R.
it up with iron and steel.
Let's learn some color names.
Iron and steel. Build it up with iron and steel.
Green color,
Fair lady.
orange color, red color, purple color,
Iron and steel will
blue color,
bend and bow, bend and
yellow color.
iron and steel will bend and bow, my
I for Indian,
lady. London Bridge
I for igloo.
falling down,
I is for island, surrounded by sea.
is falling.
J for jam, J for juice. J is for jam, you eat with your tea. K for kangaroo. K for key. K for koala, he's cute and he's brown. L for ladder. L for leaf. L is for lamb, he's prancing around. M for monkey. M for mouse. M is for money, it's best if you save. N for nail. N for nose. N is for numbers, let's count some today. O for octopus. O for orange. O is for olive, it's green and it's black. P for paint. P for popcorn. P is for plates, that you dry in a rack. Q for question. Q for queen. Q is for question, when you don't know why. R for radio. R for rake. R is for rainbow, you see in the sky. I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.